Today to help some of the caregivers find ways of relaxing, de-stressing, and yeah, we're doing that through dance and movement.
Well, it's an exploratory project. National Dance Company Wales is this brilliant organisation all over Wales. They are the Dance Company of Wales, and one of their values is social justice. You know, our support workers, they've had such a challenging time through COVID, and it generally is a very, very challenging job. So really just seeing if there are some opportunities there to help people in their everyday, you know, some release, some relax, and have a bit of fun as well.
I think the timing of the project as well was perfect, coming out of COVID and the pandemic and the stresses, particularly on support workers that they've had. So to be able to come together and celebrate them and their commitment has also been really good.
We didn't know how people would take to a project that has movement or dance, because for a lot of people that can be quite daunting if you're not a dancer, but I think what today's already proven is that it's just movement and what movement can do for your mental and physical well-being.
It was lovely to see how people were willing to join in. I got the impression from speaking to some people, we shadowed some of the care staff. They didn't really know much about the project, so it was, I think, with trepidation that they kind of signed up for it. And when they realised it was the dance company, perhaps some of them were a bit anxious about having to dance as such. But hopefully, we allayed those fears, and it was more about moving and becoming more aware of your own body and how you can support and kind of nurture and look after your own body through movement, dance, music, communicating with other people.
The dynamic works really well. They've clearly got different strengths in dance, and that's coming through. And I think that shows throughout the variety of movements that we're doing.
I think it would be great if we could have something lasting come out of it that we could take forwards for Cartrefi support workers, as well as something that the sector could look to. And people have enjoyed it, and that would be fantastic.
I think there's a lot of stereotypes around what dance is, who dance is for. We all move, we all have ways of feeling a lot better in ourselves through movement. So really trying to tap into that and the connections between movement and well-being, rather than focusing on the aesthetics or how something should look. It has so many beautiful benefits beyond that. So hopefully that's something that they will have taken away from the day as well.
I gotta say, I have genuinely thoroughly enjoyed it. The fact, the simple movements to the music they want us to do, we're all having a giggle, and yeah, I really have enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been relaxing more than anything, de-stressing. So obviously, having so much tension build up in work, it was nice to get out of work, still in work, but being able to do a bit of a different scenery as well.
We've had such a laugh already, and it's been quite relaxing, which is really good as a new method of stress release.
Yeah, really good. I think it's been really beneficial, just movement in general, quite relaxing as well, so yeah.
It's been good fun, really good fun, nice to meet up with everyone, and yes, I found it very relaxing.
I particularly found dancing to music good, and just move into what your body lets you do, really, and as a result of that, switching off from anything else going on.
At the beginning of the day, I could sense my body was a bit tense, and you carry stresses through your everyday. They've completely gone now, so I've actually relaxed a lot more now, and yeah, it's been really. We've only done half a day so far, but yeah, it's been really beneficial so far.
I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's
been really, really good, and I'd love the fact that we could give this opportunity to so many staff. It would be brilliant.
It's really surpassed my expectations. I've really enjoyed it. It's been so good just being able to move and have a laugh as well, and just meeting other people. It's really exceeded my expectations.